I have been extremely busy lately, but I finally got a chance to head into Costco. So let's go inside and check out their spring clothing line. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do so that when that next video comes out, you'll be notified. Alright, so as soon as I walked in, I happened to see a table filled with shorts. Now these shorts are by a company called Briggs. Now they have these beautiful spring colors. They had some that were striped. And they also have these floral ones. Now along with this, they had some solid colored ones. You can see the green ones in the back, and here are some black ones, and these were all listed at $9.99. Also for $9.99 are these 3/4 sleeve shirts. You can see they have the rounded collar. They do have them all in solid colors. They have them in the white, the sage, blue, and black. If you check online, they only have white and black left. And here they have another 3/4 sleeve shirt. These are by Orvis, and they do have the open split neck, and they do have multiple colors, as you can see here. Again, here's a white, black, blue, and here is another coral colored shirt. And the fabric on this is actually a little thicker than the one I showed you earlier. That other one was more of a lightweight t-shirt. And again, these are from the Orvis Classic Collection. Next we have these leggings. These are by Maddie M. And they did come in two colors. They came in this dark wine color and in black. As you can tell, it does have a back pocket, and they do have a really nice high rise. Now, as you can tell, the waistband is pretty wide, and I'll show you the bottom of the leggings so you can see what it looks like. And here are the black. Now, what I did like is that they went up as high as XX. And for $19.99, Buffalo has these high-rise ankle pants. Now they do have the light denim. I'll bring these up a little closer so they are zippered pants with the buttons. And they do have a soft stretch. As you can tell, they have the coral, they have this floral print, and they also have the dark denim. And again, these were $19.99. Now these are on sale. These are $14.99. It's a 4-piece pajama set. I thought they were a great lounging set. So it does come with an open cardigan, a tank top, a t-shirt, and the joggers. So I thought for $14.99 the price was phenomenal. So as you can see, they've got the sage, the black, the burgundy, and a gray. Now I thought these were a great buy. These are by Levi's. They're the classic Bermuda shorts. Now I did go online. I found them on the Levi's website for $49.50, and Costco has them for $21.99. Now these men's cargo shorts are by Wear First. They do come in 4 colors. They have gray, tan, blue, and black. I did check online. They only have 3 colors online. These all come with belts, and it is a clip belt. And along with the pocket on the side, they also have a zippered pocket. And these are the back of the pants. I didn't get the tag, but they are listed at $16.99. And here they have the men's Hurley t-shirts. They are long sleeve, so they are on sale for $9.99. Now they do have 3 colors, the blue, the gray, and the black. And the logo has different levels of subtlety on them, whether it's just the logo itself or a larger or smaller print. These women's joggers are by 32 Degrees. Now these do come in 3 colors, which is the pink, the green, and the black. If you go online, they actually offer a dark green, but as you can tell, they do come with side pockets. They have a drawstring waistline, and they also have elastic down at the bottom ankles. And these are on sale for $9.99. Costco has these Banana Republic women's t-shirts on sale for $9.99. They are V-neck with the short sleeves, and as you can tell here, they have different colors. They've got the violet, the black, the pink, and the white. And they also have these Danskin bike shorts. They come in a package of 2, and these are actually on sale for $12.99. And I'll show you the color packages that they've got. Now they do have other legging options, like these are by Max and Mia. These are high-waisted, and these are on sale for $9.99. And these are by Anne Klein. They do say that they're pants and they're tummy control, but it does have a little bit of a feel of like a legging fabric. And these Anne Klein pants are on sale for $11.99. I had not seen this brand before. It's called FILA. I did go online, and they do carry other items such as bras and panties, robes and tank tops. So you may want to look online and see what products you might be interested in, but they did have these t-shirts, and these t-shirts were actually on sale for $7.99. These pullovers are by Mark, New York. They have a 3/4 zipper and the fabric is lightly ribbed. Now as you can see, there is a light blue and a pink and they are $16.99. Now they also have matching joggers, and even though I'm showing you the green jogger, our store was actually out of the matching pullover. And I did want to show you that they also have the joggers in black. Now you can see the bottom of the ankle, and you can see that it also has side pockets and a drawstring waistline. And these are running for $14.99. Now I actually fell in love with these FILA sweatshirts. I was surprised to see the price. They're actually listed at $9.99. It didn't say that they were on clearance or on sale. So if that was the regular price, I thought it was great. Now this beautiful rain jacket is by Nautica. It is gorgeous. I fell in love. It is aligned. You can see the hat here. The details on this jacket is just wonderful. They're simple, but at the same time very pronounced. So as you can see, the zippers on the side, they do have this in a gray and a black, and the price on them for $22.99 I thought was a great deal. And here's another lightweight jacket. This one is actually by Weatherproof, and these are listed at $19.99. And I'll bring this up close so that you can see the details of the jacket. And this jacket comes in 3 colors: the yellow, the light coral, and the white. So where we live, it's still pretty windy even after winter is over. So right now, these Calvin Klein windbreakers are perfect to have. Now these Calvin Klein windbreakers are lined. As you can see, it also has a built-in hood to it. And what I'll do is bring the jacket up close so you can see some of the features it has. And as you can see, the Calvin Klein logo is right on the front on each. And these windbreakers are going for $24.99. When I saw these pajama sets, I was really surprised. They come with the top and the bottom, and they were only priced at $6.97. So let me show you some of the patterns that they've got. I believe there were 4 different sets. Now Lucky Brand has a 3-piece pajama set, which includes the tank top, the t-shirt, and the shorts. And they do have several different patterns. So they've got the pink one, this blue one with like a camouflage on the tank. And this gray one has a tie-dye pattern on the tank top. And these are all running for $14.99. Disney also has a pajama set. Now these are only 2-piece sets with the top and the bottom. The bottoms are shorts. And as you can see here, there's a few different patterns. And these sets are each going for $13.99. And let me show you another pajama set. Now this is by a company called Honeydew, and as you can tell, it's like a jersey fabric. So it is a 3-piece set, and it comes with the t-shirt, the shorts, and the pants. And if you're looking for something with a lighter print, here is this one with the coral and the light blue, and these are going for $19.99. Now I am going to say that they did have a lot of sleeper sets. So this one is by 32 Degrees, and this one was also $19.99. So just keep on the lookout. There are plenty of lounge and pajama sets coming out at Costco. Now moving over to the men's department, they did have a pretty good variety of the Lucky Brand t-shirts, and I'll show you some of the patterns that they have with some of the colors. And these were only running for $10.99. And they also have t-shirts by Eddie Bauer. These actually come in a pack of 2, and they are $16.99. These hoodies are by Tommy Hilfiger, and as you can see, we've got them in 3 different colors. Here we have the red, we also have the blue, and a gray. And these hoodies are only $14.97. Now back over to the women's area. Here we have the Levi's boyfriend jeans, and these are only $35.99. Now I only did see them in this light denim shade, but I did see the highest size to be a size 16. These long sleeve tops are by Skechers, and you actually get 2 to a pack, and these are only $19.99. Now these are also a 2-pack of long sleeve shirts, but these are by Luca Luxe, and these are on sale for $12.99. And by Elamos, we have these 2-pack of t-shirts. They call them the Perfect Tee. One of the t-shirts actually has an embroidered word on them. So let me bring it up close so you can see the different wording that they have on these t-shirts. And this 2-pack of t-shirts by Elamos is $9.97. Okay, so here I'm going to show you 2 different brands of skirts. These are by SE and Company, and the other ones are by 32 Degrees. So as you can see, they have these beautiful patterns, very nice quality. They do have pockets, and of course the shorts underneath the skirt. And the SE and Company is $14.99, and the 32 Degrees are $12.99. So with that said, I am going to go ahead and let you finish watching this video. Thank you again so much for watching. And remember, if you have not subscribed, make sure that you hit that button and definitely hit that notification bell so that when that next video comes out, you'll be notified. Thanks again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. And by the way, if you stay till the very end, you'll be able to see that I did end up going back and picking up one of the sweatshirts. Let me know in the comments below if there was something that you really liked and you'd want to go back and get. All right, we'll see you in the next video.